This is the surreal Run of Kutch, the doorway to India. When the night is clear and the moon in full bloom, these white sands light up radiantly. For those nights, the earth becomes the moon.
Hello and welcome back. After watching this wonderful ad, you must be feeling like visiting the Great Run of Kutch. Stay tuned till the end of this virtual trip, because today I'm going to tell you how to reach over there, where to stay, what to do, what is the best time to visit, and many more information.
Breathe in a bit of Kutch. Come, breathe in a bit of Gujarat.
The Great Run of Kutch is one of the largest salt deserts in the world. It is seasonal salt marsh, the third desert in the Kutch district of Gujarat, India. The area was once part of Arabian Sea until geological changes isolated it. During monsoon seasons, the entire area gets flooded with stagnant water, which dries up mostly by end of October, leaving 7,500 square kilometer pristine white salt flat. Every year, between the month of October and February, millions of people visit Run to experience the beautiful white desert. We took a flight to Ahmedabad and then hired a self-driven car.
Hey, morning guys, it's 5:45 a.m. and we could not start our drive yesterday night from Ahmedabad because of the goof up done by Zoom car. So we decided to, stay at some hotel and get some nice sleep. We are starting our journey towards Bhuj. I'm pretty excited.
The nearest big city of Run of Kutch is Bhuj, which is very well connected by buses and trains from different other cities in Gujarat. You can take a local cab or transport to reach White Desert from Bhuj. There is also an airport in Bhuj, but tickets are very expensive due to limited number of flights.
We just stopped here for a quick breakfast. It's been quite a time since I've been driving. Now we'll continue towards Bhuj.
At this point, everything was going fine. I was enjoying my drive, the road was fabulous. But suddenly the car broke down in the middle of nowhere. I called the provider 100 times, but they washed off their hands and offered only to refund of booking amount and not any replacement vehicle. After being stuck on road for almost 3 hours, we could manage to get some help from this bus. There was no seat, so we had to squeeze in ourselves with all of the luggages in the driver's cabin for next 4 hours.
Many thanks to Manu Bhai and Usman Bhai. Otherwise, we would have stuck in the middle of nowhere. Thank you. Welcome.
After lots of struggle, we finally reached Bhuj, and I booked a cab for next 2 days with help of my hotel. The drive from Bhuj to Run of Kutch is pretty awesome as the roads are nice. Please remember, Run of Kutch is a protected area as it is just 30 kilometers away from Indo-Pak border. So you need to have a permission to enter that area. Take permit online and just show that in the Bhirandaria checkpost with any of the government issued ID cards. The link to obtain the permit is provided in the description below. Undoubtedly, the best place to stay during Ranotsav is the Tent City, managed and operated by Tourism Corporation of Gujarat Limited. If you are ready to pay for all-inclusive 5-star luxury stay, then this is your place. But there are a number of mid-range private resorts nearby to offer nice packages at reasonable price. There are also some homestays in nearby villages where you can stay at very low price. Those are mostly away from the happening Ranotsav area, but you can experience traditional Kutchi life. We stayed at Torandran Resort and found it is very good. The price was reasonable, service was very good, food was nice, and it is just on the White Desert Road. In case you are looking for a mid-range stay, I can strongly recommend Toran Run Resort to you. Thanks to the car breakdown episode, we reached our destination around 6:30 and missed the sunset. But at least our plan to visit the White Desert on a full moon night was still on target. The Ranotsav itself is an experience, but the full moon night at the White Desert is completely out of the world. After our dinner, we proceeded towards the White Desert. Please remember, only during the full moon night and the next day, the entry gate is reopened at 10 p.m. Please keep a copy of your permit with you.
Right now we are at a white run. It's a real awesome view. I mean, I don't have any words to express. Right now I'm recording, but I'm not sure whether you'll be able to see the outputs properly. This is something unbelievable, surreal.
Thanks for watching. I hope you have enjoyed the journey so far. In the next part, we shall go to Kaludungar for panoramic views of Run and experience anti-gravity on Magnetic Hill. We shall also go back to the White Desert for magnificent sunset and have sneak peek of the Run festival. So please subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified for the next part. Until we meet again, stay safe, stay happy.